guys, it's Paul here from Pilgrim Motorsports again and Muscle Car UK. Here we've got a 2017 Pilgrim Cobra, and it's one we built here in the factory. So it's a factory built car, and it's got pretty much all the spec on it you might wish to have. It's done 3,800 miles, that's all it's done. We've just had it back in from its last owner, and it's ready to roll, ready for the summer. Beautiful car, as you can see, side exhaust pipes. It's got the Hallibrand like wheels. It's got these beautiful decals on it that make it look like the race ones of Dan Gurney in his day. So they used to be able to tell which car was which by what colour stripes it had on the side, because those are the days before radios in people's ears. So basically the cars, the Cobras used to fly past, and depending on what colours they were and decals they had on them, they could find out which car was which. Well, let's have a look inside this bonnet here. We finished this with a 3.5 Rover engine. It's all got Hallibrand air filter and rock cover gaskets on it. So it's V8, so it's the bigger engine one. And yeah, it's done a very little mileage, and in its sort of 4 years of ownership. But a great car, fabulous fun, in white, which is the in colour at the moment. I think everyone knows that. Full leather interior, so it's got navy leather all the way through it, navy dashboard, which is great. It's obviously got all these beautiful black dials and clocks in, which are Smiths, which were like the original ones. We've got the sun visors, we've got the wind wings. It comes with a full roof and wet weather gear, so if you do get called out, you can get home quite easily. But most of these cars always only get taken out in the summer fun. But you can use them in the winter. You just put the heater on and wrap up a bit warm and go and have some fun. But a great car in beautiful condition. Obviously it's got some of the Le Mans bits and pieces of Goodyear and Castrol and everything else on it, which sets it apart from anything else. But a great car in a good price range that's done very little mileage. So if you want to go touring in it down to Europe and around, or you want to go to Le Mans or historic Silverstone or something, what a great car to go and do it in. And you've got the reliability of new gearbox, new engine, all rebuilt, so you're ready to go. So if you fancy coming down on a beautiful day like today and driving through the South Downs with us, and come and have a look at it. We're about to take it out now for a run, so you'll see it in its full fighting glory. Speak to you soon.
If you're looking for a Pilgrim Cobra replica, you really shouldn't overlook these Rover V8 engine cars. The engines are specially built for us. They provide plenty of power. But all the added benefit is the excellent handling properties due to the engine's light weight. It's all aluminium. It gives the car even sharper, more agile handling. And of course, you've still got that glorious V8 bellow. You can imagine yourself being Carroll Shelby or Ken Miles at Sebring